It started as a dream, a project that arose 16 years ago. A business vision that with effort, hard work, and strategy has positioned itself as a brand for the manufacture and marketing of car components both in the national and international replacement market. Thanks to the perseverance of a small team of committed, knowledgeable, and experienced professionals, the company consolidated its leadership in 5 states of the Mexican Republic, changing the history of sales and marketing in the region. The market research and analysis resulted in products with higher cost-benefit ratio and a portfolio with high potential to penetrate the market. Currently, Vazlo is a genuine 100% Mexican company at the top of the national and international level, focused and supported on its supply chain and currently developing its own manufacturing, being one of the main companies of the American continent in this field. Vazlo is aware of the environmental impact, which is why we pay special attention to reforestation of the area where we extract the raw materials in the case of rubber. Market analysis, engineering, manufacturing, assembly, and marketing of the final product. All of this is possible thanks to the competitive intelligence, development, and quality work supported by advanced data analytics that allow us to understand, identify patterns, trends, and models that help decision-making to meet the needs of the global market. Forrestal Dos Rios. Let's go back 11 years. A man with a mission to create a business in harmony with the environment. Forrestal Dos Rios is born. Veracruz, a state located by the Gulf of Mexico, is dominated by coniferous, oak, and humid mountain forests. The community of Jesus Carranza, situated in the southeast of the state in the Olmeca region, is the site of a sustainable forest project with more than 473 hectares and a growing plantation of 225,000 Hevea brasiliensis rubber trees. This was the start of our path to be a business of harmony with the environment. 11 years later, Forrestal Dos Rios is a forested geographical area of high benefit to our environmental system. Forrestal Dos Rios annually captures more than 2,000 tons of carbon dioxide, CO2, and in turn participates in the recovery of drainage basins that help balance the ecosystem. In addition, it contributes to the community by offering jobs in highly marginalized areas. Forrestal Dos Rios produces 600 tons of ADS, air-dried sheet rubber per year, with the best purity conditions that distinguishes us on all the American continent, with a projection of 1,000 annual sales in 2023. Forrestal Dos Rios is one of the strategic companies in Vazlo Group, with a high innovation level on technology. What once the human eye projected, today is a worldwide contribution to the reduction of climate change, an unprecedented fact in Mexico's history. Back to Fresnillo, Zacatecas. Rubber production. Once the rubber that has been produced naturally is received at Forrestal Dos Rios, the staff in the manufacturing area are ready for the next step. Through a chemical and vulcanization process, we transform natural rubber into rubber raw materials with the purpose of the creation of parts that make up part of our Hecho en Mexico, made in Mexico products. With a natural production of approximately 100 tons per year and an approximate stock for 1 year and a half, we are able to develop products that meet the needs of the national and international car replacement parts market. Re-engineering. With a highly trained personnel, reverse engineering is developed, and this allows us to determine the 3D modeling of the product through a scanner. The geometry for rubber and aluminum injection molding is developed and subjected to digital simulations to ensure its correct operation. Manufacturing. For the manufacturing process, we have a mold adjustment area, EDM, electrical discharge machining, and wire machining center, penetration and graphite machining with the state-of-the-art technology that works automatically. All of this goes hand in hand with the two processes for the component's mass production. Aluminum injections begin with melting at temperatures between 670 to 700 degrees Celsius, which allows us to add the aluminum to the injection machines for mass production. All metallic materials go through cleaning and phosphatizing processes to prevent contamination in order to obtain the best adhesion in adhesive application and rubber injection. Once the aluminum parts meet the quality standards, they go through rubber injection at 140 to 180 degrees Celsius, allowing the rubber to flow through the molds, obtaining a perfectly vulcanized part and obtaining a rubber metal adhesion, which is of the utmost importance on the durability of the products. Assembling. In the assembly process, aluminum, metal, and nylon parts converge to create the finished product. In order to guarantee the quality of the products, they go through functionality tests. Commercialization. Commercialization has been one of the most important pillars for the consolidation of Vazlo. Logistics is part of a precise digital system. It is the nervous system that generates data for the study of market needs, applying the scope to our sales. Thanks to our state-of-the-art system that facilitates expansion and accessibility, this wide telecommunications network keeps us in contact with our national distribution centers in Mérida, Villahermosa, Puebla, Guadalajara, Hermosillo, Celaya, and Mexico City, and international distribution centers in Costa Rica and Colombia. We are always looking into new horizons. Vazlo is a strategic ally, a growing business partner for our national and international customers. The authorized distribution centers allow us to reduce and improve delivery times. We understand the value of being on time, which is why our warehouse infrastructure has more than 20,000 square meters, standardized and regulated by defined inventory policies, starting with labeled packaging and verified by a quality control system ready for domestic and export distribution. With presence in 24 countries and a catalog of more than 8,500 products covering more than 62,000 different applications, we are a great business opportunity at a national and international level. Financial structure and control. Our customer focus and our high sense of responsibility has given us something that cannot be bought. Trust. Our customers and suppliers trust us as we have demonstrated our constant innovation and development of systems to keep our finances healthy, giving security and certainty to all stakeholders for 16 years. Vertically integrated from raw material production, manufacturing process, obtaining the finished product, and merchandising. Vazlo is a guarantee, security, and reliability for your investment. Our brands, Hecho en Mexico, Made in Mexico, are recognized as Eagle BHP, specialists in engine mounts, transmission, drive shafts, and shock absorber bases. Track 1, the direction and suspension specialist, is focused on maintaining innovation, competitiveness, and product proposal. We are a company with a world-class vision at the forefront of innovation and technology, both in manufacturing and the commercialization of our products, satisfying a regenerated, self-sustainable, and environmentally responsible automotive industry, always in a philosophy of vision and innovation for the future. We are Vazlo. We emerged real, we grew up strong. Mexicans innovating global business.